everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a special Southern Fleek box, so let's get into it and check it out. Now, and I will put the card at the end of this. I did Southern Fleek box for the first time a month or two ago, and then Nikki reached out and asked if I would like to do her Friendsgiving box. And you guys know I was on vacation, and I said, you know, I will never get it up before Friendsgiving. And she said not to worry. I let her know it would be into December, and she said it was absolutely fine. And I am so happy to unbox it because she has an Etsy shop, and I will put the link below to send you guys over to the Etsy shop to check it out. I found Nikki because she was in a different subscription box twice, and both times the scents, it's Bath and Body. In case you didn't get that from the nice lady in the bathtub, it is Bath and Body, and you guys know I love Bath and Body. I love the scents and everything about it. Let's start opening it up. I said, you know, shout out to Nikki and Southern Fleek. The scents they do are amazing, and she reached out, and now we're friends, and it's just, her scents are absolutely amazing. If you have ordered from her now, because I know several of you did last time, let me know below what you think. That is what the inside of the box looks like. Let's glass up and see what our cards say. We're gonna tuck right into this. I don't know if I can hold this still enough, but this is her card, and this is a QR code that takes you right to Southern Fleek's page. So I don't know if you can screen cap this and then use your device to take you over there, but there you go. Okay, I will link her below. It's easier than all that, but aren't QR codes fun? I might just be too old, and I think QR codes are fun. She did also send me over a little bit of information about these this time too. So first out, we have a Southern Fleek Bath Cherry Bubble Bath. And that is what that looks like. And again, this was the November box, so it was themed Friendsgiving. The paperwork says this bubble bath is super bubbly, shimmery, and smells of cherry cheesecake. Yum. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I hadn't read it, if I would have guessed the cheese. Oh, you know what? I might have. I was getting ready to say, I don't know that if I hadn't read it, I could have guessed the cheesecake part. But now that I'm smelling it again, I think it's there. So it's cherry cheesecake. And it smells amazing. It smells amazing. She is amazing with scents. Next out, we have this, and it is a Cherry Merlot Bubble Scoop. That is what it looks like from the back. I'm going to take it out and show you guys. When we take it out, this is what it looks like. That is so cute. And it says, there is a whole lot of bubble in this little scoop scented in Cherry Merlot. Dissolve under running water in a mesh bag and agitate water to enjoy fluffy bubbles. I can smell the cherry. I don't know about the Merlot yet, but I cannot wait to use this and see what it smells like in the bath. But yeah, I can smell the cherry for sure, and it's more adult smelling, so I suspect that's going to be the Merlot. That smells good. And just for the record, if you don't have a mesh bag, don't worry about it. I take these and I hold my hand under the running water, and then as it kind of goes over it, I use my thumb, because you know, you guys know I do bubble bars with Lush too. As it goes over my hand, I just kind of use my thumb and break it up a little bit, and that's what helps it agitate. I mean, if you have a mesh bag, or I bet technically you could use it in this. Next out, we have, oh my gosh, guys, can you tell what it is? It is a turkey that she has said is a turkey head bath bomb. This hand-painted turkey is a shimmery golden magical bath, scented in sugar cookie. It will turn your tub into mesmerizing, swirling shimmers of velvety water. Oh my gosh. Well, I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm kind of glad to know we're not going to smell like turkey. I'm just going to peek open the back of this just a skosh so we can smell it. I just cut the back a little bit. Oh, I can smell the sugar cookie. Oh my gosh, that is going to be so much fun, because I don't know if it's coming across, but his body, I'll do like this in case it'll show. Oh, there you go. His body is like shimmery gold. Okay, what is it? I don't know. Getting into it though. Oh. Just for the record, if this isn't something you're into, but you know somebody that is, I mean, this would make just the absolute most beautiful gifts. I mean, how cool is that? What is that? I don't know yet. Pineapple cupcake. That is what it looks like. So it is a pineapple cupcake bath bomb with bubble frosting, a delicious scented bath bomb with bubble frosting that you can use all together or separately. Just dissolve the frosting under running water and agitate until the desired bubbles are reached, and then drop in the cupcake. So this is basically 2-in-1. The bottom is a bath bomb. The top is like a bubble bar. So you could break it apart and have 2 completely different baths. Or you could use the top part, agitate it to get your bubbles, and then drop in the bath bomb part. It's just the cutest. Okay, next out. Oh my gosh, I can tell before we even open this up, it's gonna be a blueberry pie, right? Everything comes wrapped so well. So there it is. It's a blueberry pie. It looks just like a blueberry pie. So cute. Blueberry pie bath bomb, tart blueberry mixed with buttery crust makes for a wonderful fragrance. Blue color will shoot into your bath water from this large dessert fizzy. Okay, we're gonna cut the back of this and smell this one too. I don't mind opening these because I know I'm gonna be using them soon. Oh my gosh, I just opened that little back portion and the smell of blueberry is just wafting into the air. Oh, I can't wait to use this. How fun. And the top of this one has some gold sparkle to it too. Oh my gosh. Nikki. Okay, last out. We have Friends, because it's Friendsgiving. Oh my gosh, it is the Friends couch. How cute is that? It says that it is the Black Raspberry Vanilla Friends Couch Bath Bomb. These adorable couches are moisturizing and will shoot pink colors. Also, we can't even see pink, so it must be in there. Will shoot pink colors into your tub, scented in Black Raspberry Vanilla. Yeah, we're opening up the back of this to smell it too. Oh, that smells good. When I know raspberry, it just smells slightly fruity to me, but darker than, not like, I could tell fruity, maybe a little bit of the vanilla. I don't know that I would immediately know raspberry, but that works for me because raspberry is not my favorite. So this is amazing. So that was the November Friendsgiving box. We had the Friends bath bomb, the blueberry pie bath bomb, this amazing turkey bath bomb. We got the pineapple cupcake. So the top was like bubble bath and the bottom is a bath bomb. You can use them together or separate. We got this adorable black cherry Merlot bubble scoop and then this cherry bubble bath. Did I say it was bubble bath in the beginning? If I didn't, I'm letting you know now. It is cherry bubble bath and it smells like cherry cheesecake. It does too. It smells so good. So if this is something you have any interest in, I will put the Southern Fleek link over to her Etsy shop and code below. A lot of people said last time that you really liked the thought of her product, but you only had showers. And I wanted to let you know that she does do other things on her website other than the bath bomb type situation. She has a lot of other things over there. And I can just tell you, speaking personally, I love her scents. They are just amazing. So go over and check her out if this is something you or somebody you love likes. All right, guys, thanks so much for coming by. I hope you are having a happy, wonderful holiday season, and I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys.